So altogether, that's $1,115 straight to my PayPal. This is amazing. You just seen the proof. I just added it up for you. Before we get into the video, I want to talk to you about your taxes. Now, when you're earning money online and when you're earning a whole lot of money online, the people that are paying you are required by law, if they're in the US, to actually give you a W-9, which is an independent contractor tax form. It's basically saying that all the taxes that you didn't pay when they was paying you, that you're going to have to pay that at the end of the year. So they don't take taxes out of your money, you know, when these apps and when these companies pay you. Things like if you're driving for Uber, if you're doing DoorDash and things like that, they don't take their taxes before they give you the money. So you're going to have to pay those taxes as an independent contractor or freelancer at the end of the year. That tax bill can be high, especially if you're making thousands of dollars online or thousands of dollars driving Uber or whatever. So you're definitely going to need a tax AI that's going to actually help you slash that bill, a little bit quick. So I'm using Keeper, and they fetch tax savings for freelancers and contractors, and it's everywhere. Keeper Tax, it helps you find and save $2,000 plus at tax time. So this can really help you save money, because when that tax bill comes, when you have write-offs, it cuts into that. Okay, so with tax, when I say with Keeper Tax, all you have to do is sign up for a 30-day free trial. You set it up, you connect your bank account, and they're going to find transactions that are eligible to be tax written off. And as they have free resources and they have other things to help you in there, you get your own personal bookkeeper that's a real person that you can talk to actually help you save money on your taxes. So this is really cool if you're an internet marketer or just an independent contractor. It's easy to set up. Go ahead, hit the link in my description below and sign up. It's really easy to get started. So like I said, you get your own personal bookkeeper, and just with Keeper Tax, I've already saved $504 on my tax bill. So when my tax bill comes, I'll be able to write off $504 of those dollars on the tax bill, which could actually help me pay a lot less, in money because of this Keeper Tax spot. You definitely need this. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you're going to make any type of money, you'd want to be able to pay your taxes on time, and this can actually help. Hey guys, welcome to the video. My name is Jaffry. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I teach you different ways to make money online, and you're definitely going to want to be subscribed to my channel. Now, what I'm showing you right now is inside of my PayPal account, which is $1,000, or actually $1,115 in a total of about 26 days. I made this from July 26th all the way to the 23rd, and I'm actually going to teach you how to do that, because you can actually do that for free. If you've listened to everything I tell you in this video, you can actually be making a whole lot of money by the end of this video. Of course, I can't promise you anything, but I'm telling you guys, this is super easy to do. So what is this and what is paying me? The app is called Waldo. Okay, and basically what all I'm doing is referring friends to Waldo and actually getting paid a $10 bonus when they sign up and become a part of Waldo. So how am I getting these referrals? I'm showing you some direct messages, not direct messages, but some direct ads that I'm posting on Facebook and that other people are posting on Facebook and getting results with. So this is somebody that's promoting Waldo, and he's saying brand new app, get paid for using your Gmail, Cash App, PayPal gift card, follow 3 minutes instruction, proof who needs a link, and then 49 people contact him. He's posting this in a Facebook group called Money Making Online. So there's a ton of these money making groups on Facebook that you can post in to get referrals. So he posted that. This is a different person. This is not even me. This is Derek, and he's actually posting this inside of Facebook groups, and people are responding, and when they respond, he send them the link directly to Waldo. And you can see another one where it's an Instagram ad where people are actually running Instagram ad. Even Waldo is running an Instagram ad. This is Waldo HQ, and it's basically saying get paid $10 for each friend, and it's attracting new people to the Waldo app. So what is the Waldo app? Why do you need it? What is this? What is all the fuss about? So first of all, I want to make sure that you guys have this link. This link will be in the description below. You earn $5 when you sign up and link a card. If you're new to Waldo, you definitely want to do this. You sign in with your Google, and you have to have 5 transactions at a online store, and I'm about to go over that in a minute and why you need that in order to get your $5 referral bonus. Okay, So this is basically what the Waldo app is. You shop online. We all shop online, and what you need is you basically need a Gmail. So if you don't have a Gmail, you want to get your Gmail. But if you do any type of shopping online, Waldo will monitor the prices of the items that you buy, and when that price drops, they can contact you. They can contact the vendor, or not the vendor, but the person who sold you the item on your behalf, and get you the money that you pay back. So if I paid $100 for this iPhone, which I did not, this is very high iPhone, but if I paid $100 for this iPhone and the price went down $50, then Waldo would contact them and say, hey, this person paid extra, this person paid $50 extra on this iPhone, can you refund him the $50, the extra $50 that he spent? Boom, they get the $50, they respond, it goes to your balance, and then you're able to withdraw that money. Okay, so the store owes you money, and it's basically, in order for you guys to, you know, sign up and be able to refer people, you actually have to have five excuse me, transactions with you have to have 5 transactions with one of the local brands. So they have a lot of supported brands in here, so if you shop at any of these places, you're automatically qualified to start referring people to this. So you can just see Kohl's, Macy's, they have Amazon and everything else. So if the thing is, they only support Gmail right now, so you want to make sure that that you have email receipts in your Gmail account. So this is what's tripping everybody up, because I have an Outlook account as well that I have an Amazon with, but you want to make sure that your email receipts are going to your Gmail. So if you don't have 5 email receipts, and this is a common complaints that I hear people say about Waldo, is and why they can't join and why they can't start referring people. They're saying it's international, which I'm going to solve that in a minute, but people have insufficient email receipts from online stores, so you need 5. So I'm gonna solve those 2 problems right now, the international problem and the insufficient email receipts from online stores. So you need 5 email receipts in order to be able to refer people. So where can you get 5 email receipts, and where can you spend the you know, a less amount of money? So on Amazon, they have what we call $1 to $2 items. The only thing you need is 5 email receipts. So I'm gonna type in $5 items. You need 5 email receipts in order to do this. So, or 5 items or less. So I'm just typing in $5 items. And if you don't have an Amazon Prime, it's actually free, I think, for the first 30 days. So just sign up. So you can just buy literally these $2 items and get them. You know, if you have Prime, you can pay free shipping. So it's just free shipping on everything. So you can just buy these $2 little items, and you want to buy each one separately, so they can separately send you an email receipt for each one. And you just pay for these little $5 items, and you get, once you get your email receipt, which you will get after you make the purchase, you want to make sure it goes to your Gmail, and then you're able to, you know, sign in and show that you have 5 email receipts at a supported brand, which is Amazon. And it's easy because they have $1.99 little $6 items. And even if you don't have the money to do that, to actually, you know, actually start buying those, I'll actually show you where you can actually get some you know, some free Amazon gift cards. So Fetch Rewards, this is Fetch Rewards right here. It pays you for scanning receipts. So now I have a code that I'm going to leave in the description below, that you can actually sign up and get 2,000 points once you sign up. At 3,000 points, you can get a $3 Amazon gift card, which can actually help you actually, you know, start buying this stuff. But the more receipts you scan, the more money you get. You can see right here, $10 Amazon gift card. You only need 10,000 points, and you can actually refer people in here. Get 5 of your friends to actually, or 5 or 10 of your friends to actually sign up with Fetch Rewards through your referral code, because you're gonna get your own referral code in Fetch Rewards. And when they sign up, you can actually earn 2,000 points per person that you get to sign up. So right there, if you do 2,000 times 10, if you refer 10 friends to Fetch Rewards, that's 20,000 points. That's enough for a $20 Amazon gift card, which you can go in here and actually buy each one of these items and actually get 5 email receipts sent to your Gmail. If you don't have a Gmail, just create a Gmail account, and then we are qualified to start promoting Waldo. It's that simple. So if you're ready to sign up for Waldo, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can sign up. You go through my link and you actually get $5 when you sign up. If you just go to the site and just go right here, you're not going to get that. So actually click the link in the description and go through mine, and you will get $5 when you sign up, and you will get $10 per referral that you get. And you know, if they keep it at $10 per referral, You know, I know sometimes they go back to 5, 10, it's whatever. So you need to be very, very careful about that. But anyway, once you refer somebody that signs that links a card and that has 5 email receipts, you get paid $10. So you will have $15 on your first referral, and all you need is one more referral in order to cash out directly to PayPal and actually get this type of money. You can, like I said, get referrals by doing this and actually running ads, whichever one is more helpful to you. This is a great way you can earn $1,000 very, very quickly. This is only 30 days. I actually still have $110 that's coming in, and I actually have more payments from Waldo that's coming in that haven't even came in yet. This is only to the 23rd, so this is a great way for you to start making some money online. Take advantage of it, start getting referrals, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I hope you guys are successful with this.